Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find the exact value of each expression, starting with here, e to the negative ln of 2. So for this expression, the first thing we're going to do is within this exponent, we are going to move this negative sign, which is really multiplying by -1, into the logarithm. What does that turn into? Well, when you bring it back into the logarithm, you have to raise the thing that's inside to the power of the number you just brought in. So -1 times ln of 2 is equal to ln of 2 to the -1. Therefore, this is e to the natural log is log base e of 2 to the -1 is 1/2. And now if you have e to the log base e of something, we know that this is just equal to whatever that something is, which in this case is 1/2. In b, we have something similar. b, we have e to the ln, which I'm going to write as log base e, of log base e, again, because it's ln of e cubed. Again, we have e to the log base e of something. When the log of whatever the base is in the exponent, just like here, this whole expression is just equal to what's inside that logarithm. E to the log base e of something is equal to that something. So that equals log base e of e cubed. Now we just have to solve this logarithm. If log base e of e cubed equals some number x, then we know that e to the x is equal to e cubed. The same base means the exponents have to be the same, and x equals 3. Therefore, e to the negative ln of 2 is equal to 1/2, and e to the natural log of the natural log of e cubed is equal to 3.